Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be sharing with you unboxing of my BoxyCharm, my Ipsy, and my Glossy box for the month of February. It's a little late, but yet it's coming. So let's start with Ipsy. So Ipsy is now putting in the cards that show the things that you get, which I'm liking because they hadn't been doing this for years. So I like the improvement here. So it lets you know what you're getting and how to use it. So it's good. So in this month's box, we're going to have the Prickly Pear pH Gloss, the Doucee Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen in Black, the F.A.R.A.H brushes, the Touch in Soil, the Sand and Sky. So let's start with the brush. So this is the brush that came with it. Now this is going to make a good setting brush or blush brush. I like it, it's cute. And it's in my favorite color, which is pink. So let's see what else is in this goodie bag. So we had the No Pore Problem Priming Water for your face by Touch in Soul. We also have the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Mask for exfoliation. Then we have the Doucee Liner. Let me show that to you. Good black. Like it. So then we have, last but not least, the Prickly Pear. I'll show how that looks. Not bad. Alright, so on to the BoxyCharm, which I like their boxes so far. I've only been with them for like 3-4 months now. So we also have here No Problem primer from BoxyCharm. So same thing, just bigger. So in here is the same things. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, Touch in Soul No Problem Primer, Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream, New Stick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. That seems to be it. So we've already started with the No Pore Problem Primer. Look forward to trying that out. So here's the Sol de Janeiro, and for hydrating skin and lasting moisture. I can use a little of that. So we have here the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, Copper Foil. Let me see about opening this. So that's the color of it. So we have the Better Than Sex full size mascara, which you guys should know how that looks by now. It's been around for years. And last but not least, we have the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. I do believe this was the highlighter. Yeah, highlighter. Let me open it up. And that's how it looks. Look forward to trying that out also, because I use that in the crease of my eyes. Whenever I want to make my eyes shine bright, I'll be using that for that. I normally don't wear blushes and bronzer. I have like freckled face, kinda, which I hide with makeup. Some very good makeup. But I have moles in my face that come off like they're freckles. Alright. So we have the glossy box. And this month's box include natural collection. Eye serum. I'm gonna try this out. For sure. And then we have the step 3. I cannot pronounce that name, but it's eyeshadow dual. A wine voucher, which I'll never use because I don't drink. A Kendra shaping spray for the hair. Two Mighty Patch Invisible for blemish control, with 6 patches in each container. Alright, we have the Skin Chemist from London, Rose Quartz Youth Defiance Lip Plumper. My niece is gonna love this, because that's what it's gonna go to. I have big enough lips as it is. Big kissable lips. And we have from the Arizona roll-on spray. Well, is it roll-on? Or is it a spray? Oh, it's a spray container. Arizona. And that seems to be it for this month. Well, thank you for watching. And I look forward to another monthly box for the month of March. Otherwise, you have a God-filled day whenever you're watching this. And good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depends on when you're watching this. And God bless. Bye.